Hello friends, welcome to It's Ramkate. We are here to present a very tasty and a nutritious recipe called Sunundalu, which is widely made in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And it's a festive season, so here we are to present two varieties of Sunundalu. One definitely a healthy choice, the other one nutritious choice. So anyways, let's get into cooking quickly along with my mother-in-law. So we have got a huge amount of quantity because our family is big and we love to eat. So it's half kg full of 500 grams full of black gram and 500 grams full of black gram dehusked. So both are urad dal in the black one and the white one, and 1 whole cup of sugar and 150 grams of rice. This rice is washed and dried, sun-dried rice. So I'm going to show the procedure. So watch it very carefully. And we are also having half kg sugar and half kg jaggery. Jaggery is nothing but unrefined sugar. It's directly from sugarcane extract. So let me get into the procedure quickly. Take this 150 grams of rice which is washed and sun-dried and roast it. Roast it until the raw fragrance goes. Okay, now you see it's properly roasted. You have to always use a heavy bottomed pan or a vessel, whatever you are using. So it's properly roasted, and take it in a bowl. So this is ready. This is one particular dish. Not many people will add rice. We add it because that gives the crunchiness. And now take the 500 grams of black dal or black urad dal. Okay, and dry roast it. You need to roast it in such a way that the raw smell has to go and the beautiful fragrance of the dal should come out. So we've roasted it properly. It takes around 7 to 10 minutes. So based on the quantity of the dal that we take. So it is not that you have to make it in small quantity. You can make the powder and make the laddus or the dessert whenever required. So it's better to make it in a huge quantity. So take a half kg itself. Definitely trust me, it's not going to be waste. So once it is dry roasted, take it in a pan, let it dry. It should, the heat should go. So we are adding the roasted rice also to it. So 2 ingredients have gone in. 500 grams of black dal and 100 grams of rice, roasted rice. And now the other 500 grams of white dehusked black dal, I would say. It's a urad dal, white urad dal, the normal one that you get. So you need to properly roast it. Before roasting it, we've properly cleaned the dal. This dal will have a lot of outer layer which are chemicals. So take a wet cloth and clean it properly and dry it under the sun to have a better shelf life. So some people can wash it, but it depends upon the season that you are in. If you wash it, you have to properly sun dry it. Otherwise, the delicacy will not be that tasty or crunchy the way we want it. And she has taken 500 grams of black dal, white black dal, and that has been properly roasted. And all the ingredients are going to get powdered now. We are not using a blender. As I told you, it's a huge quantity we are going to make. And 5 to 6 cardamoms we are adding. So we are going to give it to the mill and get it fine powdered. So why are we giving it to mill? We can use a blender. Definitely when you don't have a mill close by, you have to use a blender. You can do it, but trust me, it takes a lot of time. So for half a kg, maybe around 40 minutes, you need to keep sitting and getting it done. That's how my blender works. So it's better to get it done in a mill. So now it is ready. The powder is ready. You can store it. You can store it and make it fresh whenever you want. But still, I'm going to give you the quantity for half a kg. For half a kg dal and black and white. So we are taking half a kg jaggery and half kg rice, sugar. So sugar also you need to dry roast, make a dry powder of the sugar. So sugar is getting into a blender and which will give you a fine sugar powder. trust me, jaggery is the best substitute for sugar, especially when you're on diet and craving for something sweet. This jaggery, udad dal laddu, sunundalu, bellam minulu sunundalu is going to be a delicacy for you. It's wholesome and nutritious. This sunundalu is a savior especially during hunger strikes. Just 2 sunundalu are enough to satisfy your tummy. Let's quickly get into the final procedure. Very simple. Mix all the ingredients on required quantity and make a fine ball. That's it. Looks simple, right? Definitely it's not as simple as the way it looks. It is quite difficult, especially when you make jaggery, because I've seen people making at my home and that's how it is. But let's enjoy this cooking, okay? So take a bowl, first whatever quantity you're going to make. So take that flour, the fine flour that we got from urad dal, okay? And add jaggery. And this jaggery has been grated, but these are called as very soft, this dewy jaggery it is. So while buying it, just buy it in that flavor itself. Okay, add jaggery slowly and you need to properly mix it. Don't think you can put it in a blender and all. No. The magic of your fingers getting in between the flour and the jaggery is going to create the actual taste for the delicacy. So sometimes it tastes well when it is done by your mother. Yes, that's what we are getting done. So mix the jaggery properly. It takes time. Slowly with both the hands, take the flour and rub it each other in between the jaggery so that it's all well coated. The jaggery pieces that you have added should be properly mixed in the flour. And how is it getting mixed? Just with your palm and fingers. So you've seen her, she's mixed it properly. You don't see jaggery as whole pieces. Now take a bowl full of ghee, melt it. Yes, it requires a lot of ghee. This dish will definitely taste better only with ghee. So it is okay, sometimes you can have. Ghee is not a bad thing. It's just a clarified butter. It's okay to have it. So dig a well and add ghee. Keep pouring it, when you're making the balls, the laddus. Okay, she nicely rolls it softly, gently and beautifully. Now you see this beautiful black laddu. Yes, that's how it is. So slowly, gently, gradually add ghee to it. Because when you add it together, it becomes a little dry. We want the moist in between the dessert. So do it slowly. Maybe first time the ball may not look like a ball, but 1 or 2 you will definitely get it. But keep doing it, you will definitely like it. Cooking is all about mixing various ingredients accurately to create a delicacy. Isn't it not just like a beautiful family? Think about it and share your comments with us. So we are nicely doing it, and we do it during every festival. The reason we keep doing this dish is, one is this is easy to prepare. Once you get all the flour ready, note it, and it is a protein rich and gives a lot of strength to your backbone, especially for girls, young girls. We give it in their teenage. So we feel, that is when their backbones are going to get really stronger. And for kids also, urad dal is one of the richest source of vitamin B. Vitamin B, yes. Urad dal is also good for women for various reasons. That's why I told you we give for teenage girls very frequently. The reason is it has iron, folic acid and calcium, magnesium and potassium as well. So that's why we keep doing it. Now the jaggery laddus are ready. Now let's see how the sugar one is done. Sugar one is definitely equally tasty, but yes, it's sugar, ghee and yeah, it's okay. Sometimes we love it anyways. So the powdered sugar goes into it. So add gradually ghee, the same procedure. Mix the sugar well in the flour. It's very easy to mix a powdered sugar in a flour, but definitely not a jaggery. So see, it got mixed very quickly. You don't need that kneading thing and all required. Just give a proper rub and the sugar is well mixed. Trust me, it's easier to make sugar, but you must try jaggery one. I love it personally. So once the sugar is properly mixed, so she digs a well and add ghee slowly, gradually, as I keep telling, then make the balls, that is the laddus. So while doing the laddus also, we enjoy doing it. So we like, it's like too many cooks spoil the broth, so we don't get involved into it. We enjoy the way she does it. So she makes a small well and she adds the ghee to it. The ghee has to be melted. Do not add unmelted ghee, which will not bind well with the ingredients. So mix it properly. Once you're mixing it, you will know the consistency. When you hold it, it should hold a shape. That is when you should feel it's enough. Okay, see, she nicely makes it and a small ball. Okay, and if you have excess ghee, if you feel, when you touch it, when you feel that the ghee is there in your finger, then make the ball run around the floor a little bit. It will get absorbed, no worries. So anyways, whatever way you do, it's going to definitely taste better. So she has nicely mixed and made a small ball. So hope you really liked it. We enjoyed it, and weddings and kitchen are made to bring families together. Here we have my mother along with my mother-in-law, both the ladies enjoying cooking for our family. Please watch and share your comments. Hope you also enjoy with your family. Take care.
స్పెషల్ బెల్లం తోటి సున్నుండ చేసాను, షుగర్ తోటి సున్నుండ చేసాను. టేస్ట్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఆహా, ఓహో, రుచి.
వదినా గారు చాలా బాగా చేశారండి. బెల్లం సున్నుండలు, షుగర్తో సున్నుండలు. మీరు కూడా దీపావళికి స్పెషల్గా చేసుకోండి, చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Please subscribe.
Yes, sir.